Good morning, students. Welcome to Stanford School online science classes. As you all know, we are doing chapter 3, Food and Health. We have covered the topics of this chapter, that is nutrients present in food group. We have also studied about the kinds of diseases that were communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. We have also studied about the prevention of communicable disease, how we can prevent the communicable disease and how they are spread. Right. So today what we will be doing is, today we will study about, or you can say today we will be doing the exercise which is given in the book. Okay. It's given on page number 35 in your science book, as you can see in this slide also. This exercise or the work which is given in this video is to be done in your book only. आपको ये वर्क अपनी बुक में करना है, ठीक है? So let's see what you have to do. Let me explain you what you have to do so that you don't face any confusion. Okay, children? So there are 3 parts given: part A, part B, and part C. Part A is match the following. आपको इसमें मैच करना है. वन साइड आपके लेफ्ट साइड पर इस पे लिखा हुआ है डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट एंड ऑन द राइट साइड इट्स गिवन डिजीजेस कॉस्ट. आपको मैच करना है कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से कौन सी डिजीज होती है, ठीक है? सो द फर्स्ट वन इज विटामिन ए. विटामिन ए की वजह से कौन सी डिजीज होती है? सेकेंड इज आयरन. थर्ड इज विटामिन सी. फोर्थ इज विटामिन डी. फिफ्थ इज विटामिन बी. And sixth is iodine. So this is the match the following. Okay. Part B. Part B में you have to write one word for the following. Statements are given to you and you have to give one word for these statements. The first is microorganisms that cause diseases. Second, the fiber present in food. Third, a diet that contains all the nutrients, water, and roughage in the right proportions. Fourth, the nutrient that helps in the repair of worn out cells. Fifth, the nutrient that gives you warmth and energy. Sixth, a condition that results due to the deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins in the diet. Seventh, the system of your body that helps you to fight germs. So these are the 7 statements for which you have to write one word. Okay. Part C. In this what you have to do is 9 statements are given to you and you have to write 2 examples of each. Okay. The first is diseases caused by eating infected food. Second, foods rich in carbohydrates. Third, foods rich in vitamin A. Fourth, foods rich in iron. Fifth, diseases caused by bacteria. Sixth, diseases caused by virus. Seventh, diseases caused by protozoa. Eighth, diseases spread through insects. And the ninth is disinfectants used to kill germs. So these are 3 parts which is to be done in your science book only and it is given on page number 35. आप सबको ये वर्क अपनी साइंस की बुक में करना है, मुझे सबमिट करना है. It should be done very neatly in a good handwriting and by on your own. Okay children, that's it for this video session. Thank you children. Take care. Have a nice day.